Hello friends, my name is Jash Kavli and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make French fries. Alright, so let's get started. To make French fries, we are going to use Yukon Gold potato. Yukon Gold is a large cultivar of smooth and eye-free skin and yellow tinged flesh. They are commonly found potato species in US supermarkets. In addition to it, you can also find another variety called as russet potatoes. However, we will get back to russet potatoes in our next episode. Today, we are going to use Yukon Gold potato to make French fries. First, take the medium size Yukon Gold potato and wash it under the water. Next, we are going to peel this potato. In the next part, we are going to see how to cut fries pieces. Hold the peeled potato horizontally and start making vertical cuts. The width of each cut should be kept around 1 centimeter. After making these pieces, take one of the pieces and start cutting them horizontally again. Here too, the width of each piece should be kept around 1 centimeter. Make sure that you do not cut pieces too thin or too thick, otherwise frying could be a problem. Next, we are going to wash our fries pieces. Take a water in a small bowl and then put the fries pieces into it. The water could be cold or it could also be lukewarm. After you put all the pieces, mix them thoroughly in the water. In this process, we are getting rid of additional starch in potato pieces. That way, our fries will become crispy. Once you do it, keep this mixture aside for at least a couple of hours. That way, you can get rid of all the starch content in potato pieces. After 2 hours, drain all the water from the pot. Once that is done, wash all the fries thoroughly under the fresh water. And also drain that water to make sure we get rid of all the extra starch content in the first round. In the next round, put all the fries back into the fresh water. In the second round, if you want to make fries little bit more crispy, you can also add 1/4 of teaspoon of corn flour in it. And then again mix it thoroughly in water and keep this mixture aside for 90 minutes to 2 hours to make sure we get rid of all the starch content. After 2 hours, again mix it thoroughly and get rid of all the water which contains residue starch. Wash it under the fresh water and again mix it thoroughly to make sure we do not have any residue starch left. After that, arrange all the fries on the tissue paper one by one. Since the fries may still be wet, make sure to dry them out with the tissue paper. Once that is done, we are going to fry them in our first frying iteration. Please remember that we have to fry these fries twice. First lightly on the medium flame and second time until they become golden brown and crispy on high flame. So this is our first iteration. Keep it frying for around 45 seconds to 1 minute until they become light brown. I fried them for around 1 minute and now they are not completely fried, but they are not raw either. We are going to keep these fries in the deep freezer for almost 3 hours. After 3 hours, take the fries out of deep freezer and keep them out for around 30 minutes to defrost. Now we will fry our fries for the second iteration. Take the oil and put it on the medium flame and make sure the oil is hot enough before putting fries in it. Put the fries one by one into the pot and start moving them one by one with the fork or any spoon, making sure you take the fries out on the regular interval to check its color and crispiness. Once they are properly fried, you will see their color changes to golden brown and they become light crispy. On the medium to high flame, you can fry them between 3 to 4 minutes. After that, put them on the tissue paper to dry out so that extra oil is soaked through the tissue paper. Here is the set I have after frying all the fries. As you can see, I am rubbing them with the spoon and you can hear the scratching sound to verify how crispy they have become. After that, you can sprinkle them with the salt and then little bit of black pepper if you prefer. And then you can put a tomato ketchup on the top of that. And now you are ready to enjoy your French fries. Here are some of the photos I captured and I hope you'll enjoy them. So finally we are done with preparing our French fries. So now I am going to taste them. I have sprinkled them with salt and black pepper. Now let's try one of them with ketchup. They are crispy and very fresh. I really like them. Make sure to try them at home and let me know your feedback. Thank you. Alright, so that's all friends. Thank you so much for watching this video, how to make French fries from the Yukon gold potato. If you have any further questions, feel free to add them in the comment section. I will see you in the next episode, how to make French fries out of russet potatoes. Until then, goodbye.